how to make tab groups on Opera GX. So let's get started.
So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna go into our settings first. So click here on the icon on the top right and click on settings. Now in here you wanna search for workspace. And then you should see this option enable workspaces. So you wanna enable this, click here to toggle on, and it should appear here as you can see. Now we're gonna customize our workspace. So if you're wondering why we're enabling this is because the tab groups here in Opera GX is actually called workspace. So it's not the same one with Chrome, but it functions the same way. So click here on sidebar setup on the bottom left. Now we can see our workspaces here. So we have workspace 1 and 2. Now, for example, I would want to put in my YouTube videos in workspace 1, or I would want to group it there. So I just want to go into YouTube. Let's say I'm just going to go and put in multiple tabs just so you can see. Now I'm going to right click on this tab. And from here, I could go into move to workspace, and then I could just click the workspace that I would want to move in right here. So in my case, it's only for workspace 2 because workspace 1 is not available, but you could always add more workspaces if needed. So as you can see here, workspace 1 and workspace 2. And you could also manage your workspaces right here. Like you could edit or configure shortcuts. Now, if you would want to add, is you could click here on add more, and then you would be able to provide the icon and the name of the workspace that you would like to add in here. You can create as much as you want and group tabs in there. So that's how you can do it on creating tab groups in Opera GX, but this is called workspaces in here. Thank you for watching.